friends, this is Caroline of Caroline's Plans. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today's video is a P6 pre-plan with me in my Impressions spiral. I'm pulling in a lot from my collection, but the full boxes are from a kit called Celebrating Mom. It is a Mother's Day themed from a Mother's Day themed kit by Simply MS, and the foil that I'm pulling in is both glossy and clear copper foil from Scribble Prints Co. This was in my collection for the longest time. Never knew when I would use it, but I thought that it worked so well with the colors in these full boxes, and I thought that it paired well with the rose gold that I was able to pull in. What you see me doing here is putting down the date number squares on this first set of date covers. I like that these are on opaque white glossy paper, so it makes for perfect date covers in this B6 planner. So I'm going to begin by placing down those date squares and then placing each of the headers at the top of their respective days. Then I place down, whoops, there's a ambulance going by, sorry about that. I place down one set of the copper bow headers on the white glossy paper underneath each of those date covers, just for some added decoration. The full boxes are on matte paper, so I was able to pull in some more of the foil accent items as full box overlays, which you'll see closer to the end of this video. As far as bottom washi goes, I did use the confetti copper washi on white glossy paper that came as part of this wiggle. But then I also pulled in this mid-tone peachy pink washi, bow washi from Simply Gilded in rose gold, and I thought that the rose gold played very well with the copper. I thought that they worked really well, especially with all of the nudes and pinks and sort of lighter blush tones throughout the full boxes. Overall, I really love how this base turned out. You'll see here in a second, once I lay more of the elements down, that it all just comes together really nicely. I actually just filmed this immediately prior to recording this voiceover, so I was just feeling really inspired, and this the day that I'm filming this is the Friday before Mother's Day, so I was feeling inspired to do another Mother's Day spread. Happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there and mother figures out there. Cat moms, human moms, animal moms, all the moms and all the mother figures out there. Happy Mother's Day, and thank you for everything that you do. And thank you to my mom for being awesome and being my very best friend in the whole world. I'll be spending Mother's Day with her. Like I said, it is the Friday before Mother's Day, so she is planning to come over to our house tomorrow afternoon, spend the afternoon with us on Saturday, and then she's going to spend the night on Saturday night, so we can wake up and have coffee together on Sunday morning. Sunday morning coffee is one of our favorite times together, my mom and I, so we'll get to spend the beginning of Mother's Day doing what we love to do most together. And then we'll just do probably a nice brunch and gifts and just relax for the rest of the day. If you're doing anything special for Mother's Day, let me know in the comments. I hope it's a wonderful day for everybody. And I'll talk to you all soon. Hope you enjoy the rest of the video. I'm just going to put some music behind this, and the shops that I use will be linked in the description. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, peace, love, and happy planning, everybody. Bye-bye.